this song's called Reassurance. Now the initial idea was, we don't need no reassurance, baby. I'm with you. It's you and me. You know what I'm saying? But then I had one of my homegirls over here. She's a songwriter, and we played it for her. She's like, oh, that's good. She said, but reassurance, like I think that you should look at it as reassuring a woman. And when she said that, I was like, yo, you're right. I said, because if you're being the man that you're supposed to be, you're supposed to lead. You're supposed to lead in your relationship with your lady.
Mm-hmm.
Well, in any situation where a nigga is leading, he's gonna have to reassure.
Mm-hmm.
If we were down by halftime and we down by 5 and I believe my niggas,
Yeah.
I'm reassuring them. Hey, boy, we good. We got where we want.
Yeah.
Just box out. You know, have your hands up when you come off the screen. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I believe my niggas, I'm reassuring them we're gonna be good.
Yeah.
So if that's the case with your niggas, how much more should you be willing and over for the task of reassuring your woman as a man?
Come on, man.
That just come with the territory, bro.
1,000%.
So we can't run from that shit.
Let me give you reassurance, babe.